Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over. For sale. Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into Wahibia Freying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050-338-7037.
Ebusia Stonebwoy adane sofo na preaching a ode to abonte no ebura adwen ebrunti ase so baby a we breed e wasanka yentumi nsi no archbishop and archpope because being onim the word.
One thing I want to say is that remember that the body of Christ is not actually the temple sitting down there. It's you. The temple of God is the body that you have, your body, my body. And only God knows the things we do to our bodies on a daily basis.
Ina koba say video bi trend ya asori bi de Stonebwoy nyom esa na asane mo no e na manfo bi mo comment ye say Stonebwoy e ye bonsam nipa wadwani all court. Stonebwoy nyom e ye bonsam nyom ti no, how can a church sing or dance to Stonebwoy's tune? Na Stonebwoy say ne ni copy esu bi e ye ne de yie pa say no nyom a obo no sa ne asori for so eni eje ho.
Good day, Stonebwoy speaking. The other day I saw a video of mine. Bokeke played in a church and the energy was amazing. And it gives me a lot of joy to be a creator of such beautiful musical pieces for your consumption. I read some comments as well, which actually drew my attention, you know. Therefore, I'm pushed to add a word or two. Please, let's leave the churches alone. Let's not try to use this opportunity to express hate or ignorance towards the church or people or Christians or, you know, people who have a certain belief and are open-minded as well. You know, one thing I want to say is that remember that the body of Christ is not actually the temple sitting down there. It's you. The temple of God is the body that you have, your body, my body. And only God knows the things we do to our bodies on a daily basis. The atrocities we commit, the sin, the abomination. Sin. So let us take it easy and let us not try play perfect. You know what I mean? Because the same people who go to the church, we are the same ones who go out there to support the musicians, the other musicians, the secular musicians who are supposed to be evil. And one thing I know is that most of the songs that we make that are so-called evil and unclean have seed in them more than some of the gospel music that we play and listen to. So let us now segregate or divide or kill, you know, for what happened in the church the other day. Even after they have explained that they were having a party time sort of, and then how to drop songs. When you take Bokeke as a song, it's a song that I created and featured the other great super rappers, you know, on it. It's a song that was created on the idea of fun, life, and giving thanks. So when I say give thanks for life again, who are we giving thanks to for life again? Is God. You know what I mean? So have to address this. Shout outs or big up to the pastors or the pastor Amoako and the church or the churches who do not segregate, who do not divide, but open up, you know, to consume, so to say, secular music, you know, and do not tag it as evil, you know, once as they have the seed in them, you know. Realize that it is actually, nobody complains when gospel music is played in the church. Gospel music is played in a club or at home or in the parties, you know. But when secular music, which is supposed to be music that is popular amongst people, not secular music doesn't mean it's a genre or something, you know. It's music. When it's played in the churches, people just go haywire. Meanwhile, we're the same ones that go here and there. I understand that there are a lot of things that are going on also, which is not too good. in the churches, you see some forms and types of miracles going on that you wonder what the church is becoming. So I understand that, the pressure. Understand the pressure that is on religion, because many of us are losing hope, in religion. I mean, and so therefore the problems and all these things. But coming back to the situation, please, let's not chastise, let's not kill, let's not go all out trying to play holy, or trying to play holiest. Leave the churches alone. The body of Christ is you and I. Let's strive to make peace, to open up to one and all. Let's try to love, which is the biggest commandment. Let's try to understand and not fight. See? Because the problems in Africa is not that my music or music from a non-gospel artist which doesn't have any bad seed in there, it's played in the church. See? Thank you very much. Big ups to you for the love and support. Bless.
Na ebusuya se wutie Stonebwoy efutu sama o de beto abonten na se na ozifa je no be so do comment e beto abonten fi se asori fo na ene wa abonten fo na so no ene wo asori dem we ye Stonebwoy message or the aba out and in chire mu nyana na say the body is a temple of God, the church is the temple of God. Ebusuya aha too much. Subscribe my page you me adoman so send me upload bi so na sa ebetimaka na fe may the breaking news, trending stories, spiritual programs and political shows and I'm the bro makra.
Do you want to buy a house? Then your worries are over. For sale. Mewasem Debbie Demao. Yes, it's for sale. It's a 5-bedroom gated houses with a beautiful view and serene. All for sale. A dining in our Tantra Hills estate. Into one here be fraying. They're very affordable. You can simply call us on 050 338 7037.